Hello.
Hello.
Let's look at the menu to give you an idea of the prices. Okay, so just next door to Warungs sister, we have a place called Annie's Kitchen. Good food, good taste. Here at the Green Warung, nice collection of tables and chairs, customers in the back there. Just moving on from Golden Spoon Kitchen, just next door we have Mexican Warung. It's Mexican. Here's all the fresh juices available here also, very reasonably priced. Good afternoon from Bali, Indonesia. So today I'm here in the Legian area of Bali. I'm on a street called Jalan, Sriwijaya, and what I'm going to feature in today's video for you is a place called Legian Food Court. Okay, so featured in today's video, for those of you that want a traditional Indonesian street food eating experience, and I suggest you stay tuned and watch today's video. So featured in today's video is going to be a place called Legian Food Court, which is home to a great collection of local warungs serving a huge array of different types of food, from traditional Indonesian foods, also Western foods are available here, beers are available, fruit juices are available, smoothies are available. You'll find just about anything you want on the menu here at Legian Food Court. So without any further ado, let's go and get started and share with you Legian Food Court. Okay, so here's the name, Legian Food Court. This is the street of Jalan, Sriwijaya. Turn right, heading towards Jalan Raya Legian. Okay, so I'm going to start on the right here and make my way along all the way to the top. Cooking this here. Hello.
Hello.
Some more here just next door. This one's called Warung Jaya. So some coconuts available there. Here's a look at the menu just to give you some idea of the price here. Some of the breakfast menu. It's the drinks menu. So just next door to Warung Jaya, we have a place called Warung's Sister. Nice collection of tables and chairs there inside. Give you some idea of what's available on the menu here. Some more of the menu, traditional Indonesian dishes. Okay, so just next door to Warung's sister, we have a place called Annie's Kitchen. Good food, good taste. Nice seating area inside there. Some of the menu at Annie's Kitchen. And just next door to Annie's Kitchen, we have a place called Maril Yummy Dish. Show you the seating inside first of all. This collection of tables and chairs. Some of the menu. So just next door to Merrill Yummy Dish, we have a place called Dipayan. Very similar food again here. There's a seating there. Just next door to that, we have a place called the Green Warung. Show you what's available here at the Green Warung. So there's all your seating area here at the Green Warung. Nice collection of tables and chairs, customers in the back there. It's quite a long one, this one. We have another Green Warung board there. Just next door we have a place called Rio Japan Fusion. Warung Pojok. Show you some of the menu here at Warung Pojok. So just next door to Warung Pojok we have Al Basha, that's closed at the moment. We have Papa Josh halal food in the back there also, so it's just opening. And GC barbecue Thai food here. Just show you some of the menu here for the Thai food. And there's the seating in the back, they're just setting up now. Just next door to a barbecue and Thai food, we have Clark & Young's fish and chips. There's a seating area there in the back. This is a British theme warung or restaurant. Mangas and mash, traditional fish and chips, ooh la la. Some nice looking food in there, particularly for me as I'm from England. Let's look at the menu to give you an idea of the prices. So just from Clark & Young's, there's a lot more along the back there, however they're not currently open, they'll be open later in the evening I presume. Some more on this side now. So we'll just take you in the menu and Lu Japun. Mixture of Indonesian and Western dishes available there. Okay, so just at the other end now, there's quite a few of the warungs at the back there, all selling very similar food. And then we're just making our way back out into the daylight again, and all this along the side here. So just to the right there is a place called Tiffin Warung, however that's currently closed. Next along the line we have a place called Golden Spoon Kitchen, it's a name up above. There's a seating area in the back here. Show you some of the menu available here. Some of the snacks menu. That's from Golden Spoon Kitchen. Just moving on from Golden Spoon Kitchen, just next door we have Mexican Warung. Nice collection of tables and chairs here in the back. I'll take you and show you some of the menu. So we'll start with the tacos, as soon as it's Mexican. This is unusual, Taco Bell Mexican pizza. Mexican rice. So some Mexican pasta. There's a drinks menu. Cocktails 50k. Milkshake 35. Also some smoothies available there. So just continuing on from Mexican warung. Next in line we have a place called Tina Warung. That one's currently closed. The name. It's a seating area. Have Warung Rosie just next door to that. There's a seating area inside there. Just next door to Warung Rosie we have a place called Koala Kitchen. Any nice looking foods available there. And there's the inside of the restaurant. Just moving on from Koala Kitchen now. Just next door we have Inner Sushi. This is currently closed. There's the name. Just next door we have Warung Kekat Manis. Seating area inside there. So here's some of the popular foods here. Chicken steak and beef steak. And some of the seafood menu. Here's all the fresh juices available here also. Very reasonably priced. Also have some smoothies. Also some hot drinks. It's all from Warung Kekat Manis. So just next door to Warung Kekat Manis is a last place along the line and back to where we started. There's the inside seating area. Some customers in here. There's a collection of wooden tables and chairs. Very big menu here. I'll just take you through some of it. Here's some of the noodle dishes. There's seafood. Beef. Some of the drinks.